Hello everyone, finally much awaited news is here. Recently Padmanabhan sir tweeted that CMA exams which were going to be held in September now stand cancelled. But this good news, the sigh of relief is only for inter and final students, and foundation students need to pull up their socks now. Because although Inter and final exams have been merged with December exams. Foundation exam will still be held in September. The suggested tentative date is 6 September. Although the official notification is not yet out, so we do not know about the intricate details how this exam is going to be conducted. But one thing is for sure that it is definitely going to be held in online mode, and that too at the comfort of your own home. So you don't need to step out of your place in these pandemic times, so you can relax. And the best part about the tweet was that mobile option. So your worries that we do not have that internet access, or we do not have laptop, or we do not have any smartphone should be suppressed a bit, because in today's times I believe everyone has that internet connectivity thanks to Jio, and definitely you have access to some smartphone, or maybe your family has one smartphone at least, right? So even the students who live in certain remote areas should have some internet connectivity, and I think it is a welcome step by the institute, since it is a MCQ based paper, and mobile option facility will also be given. So with less facilities, or you can say with less equipments, you can appear for the exam. Definitely I'm sure institute is going to undertake all the necessary steps to ensure the credibility of exams. So let's wait for the official notification to get that details. But as of now, the question here arises, what next, ma'am, right? What should we do? CMA Foundation students, you cannot waste one single minute right now. You do not have any time. You just focus, don't waste time, don't be distracted at all, because you have very less time to prepare yourselves. So even if you're done with the revisions, go on for continuous more revisions, and definitely the paper is going to be tough, because it is at the comfort of your home, and some loopholes uh, maybe I won't say that definitely loopholes are going to be there, but there is a possibility of some loopholes that the bright and young students may discover. So definitely be prepared. The paper can be a little bit more tricky and a little bit more difficult. So you do not have to waste time and just get set going. For other students that are CMA intern and CMA final students, I would suggest, if you were appearing for just one group, go for both the groups. You might be apprehensive that do we even have time to prepare ourselves for two groups, because almost you can say, how much time do you have if I compare September, October, November, right? So I can say forget August, you would just have 3 months. So is it sufficient time, ma'am? Definitely it is. Definitely it is. I believe so far, because you were going to appear for your exams in September, and originally you can say in June. So you must already be prepared. Since you have already prepared group 1, you have ample of time. If you are serious and passionate about your studies, you can definitely do it. Okay, so don't give a second thought, and do not waste time. Do not waste time. The minute you are wasting right now, somewhere someone is getting smarter than you, because he or she is not wasting time. So focus on your studies, don't waste time. A little progress each day builds up great results. Okay, so get set going now. And for the ones who have only one group remaining, so they do not have the option of both groups, luckily they have already cleared their one group. For them, I would say focus on getting some exceptional marks, so that you do not have any scope of failure. So definitely pass is one thing that you will witness in your result, that is for sure. But how exceptional marks are you going to score, that you have to see now. Okay, so build up more knowledge, get into more details, and study harder. All you have to do, everyone, be it your foundation student, inter student, final student, all of you, what you have to do is only study. What you do not have to do is don't waste time. Don't relax. Don't think that the exams have been postponed. Okay, I can enjoy this movie now, or I can do some chit chat. I can go out. Going out is not an option anyway, but you do not have to do any of these. Okay, so no wasting time. Study, study, and study. If you break this chain, if you break this continuity now, then coming back to the track will be very difficult. Okay, so you're not going to break the chain, you're not going to break this continuity, and you have to get some exceptional marks, and your preparation should be such that you should confidently say to the institute, bring on any question, I am prepared for all answers. Okay, so that level of preparation you need to build up. Now, as from our side, you must be aware that already on my courses, on all my courses, because of this festive time, I had already announced a sale yesterday, and 20% discount is available on all my courses. Now, apart from this, since the exams have been merged, and the students are now willing to go for the second group, and they need classes for the same, and cannot step out of the home, so you have to go for online classes only. We are also offering you a discount of 10%. So site wide, all the CMA courses, my courses are definitely available at 20% flat discount, but all other CMA courses are also, that is except law also, all the courses you are going to get at 10% discount. So you can definitely avail this offer. The coupon code for the same is CMA10, and all the details are in the description box. Everything has been mentioned. You can contact the team if you have any doubt. Do not waste time, just start studying right now. That is all I'm going to tell you. And before I end this particular video, let me also share with you, although I didn't want to right now, but I have already started and will soon be launching my CMA final law course in English. So on your demand, yes, it is going to be available very soon. And do subscribe the channel for more law updates. But and wait for my official notification also for CMA final law course, right? So as of now, we are waiting for institute's notification about all the clarity and details of the upcoming exam. And CMA inter and final students, you can definitely relax not on the point of view of studies, but relax that you're safe at home. You don't need to step out of your home, and you don't need to worry about any mode of exam. Right now, everyone's focus should only be studies. Okay, so let's wait for the official notification, and as of now, wish you all the very best, and no time pass, no deviation, no distraction, nothing. Remember, if you sleep now, you will definitely dream, but if you study now, you will live your dream. So with this note, take care, bye bye, thank you.